Hello and welcome. My name is Dan Hollings and we're going to talk about Amazon, but not Amazon in any way that you've ever before heard or even ever before imagined. This is a unique program called 400K FBA Quickstart, and for reasons that you will see unfold before your eyes, this is as close to having money fall from the sky as anything I've ever seen before. It's the only thing I devote my time to, and I'm going to share with you the formula that is making me and a lot of people who are following this program a lot of money. Basically, I've figured out a way that you can put together the jigsaw pieces of Amazon in a way that works without capital investment and with absolutely zero risk. Without a doubt, there will be people that become what I call prime air millionaires. And this may sound crazy, but look at what was in the news literally today as I'm recording this training. Jeff Bezos, the CEO or head of Amazon, talks about Amazon drones and the fact that they will be as common as seeing a mail truck. And you guys, this is not some type of fantasy. The question is could you imagine making money while Amazon fires up the drones to deliver your products to customers all around the world? Primary millionaires, there could be primary billionaires. But we have to get positioned for this. And the good news is that you can start making incredible revenues today. You don't have to wait for the drones, but by positioning yourself today, you're going to be positioned for when that day comes. It's not all that far into the future. So let's move forward and look at another incredible article that was recently in the news. This is from U.S. News and World Report in the money section, talking about the 5 ways that you can become a self-made millionaire. Of the ways they mentioned, Amazon was one of those 5 ways. In fact, let's take a close look at this. In his best-selling book, The Millionaire Fastlane, author M.J. DeMarco laid out 5 paths for earning large amounts of money relatively quickly. Interested? Hey, it should get your interest. And of the ways he talked about, Amazon was one of the best ways to do it. We're talking about how to become a self-made millionaire, how to earn large amounts of money relatively quickly. That's what he's saying. When you put all of this together, there is no opportunity on the market today which will give you the chance to make this a reality. None better than the Amazo partnering program. So let's take a look at a what if. What if an opportunity fell in your lap like what I'm about to share? Don't think this is fantasy. For a moment, just suspend all of your skepticism and imagine if this happened to you. Let's say that someone came and knocked on your door. They said, look, I've got this wonderful product and I need to sell it and I'd like for you to help me with that. And in addition, because I know you're going to need some money in order to make this happen, I'll give you this big bucket of money here. That'll take care of advertisements and any incidentals and things that you may need. So that you're really focused, I'm going to give you an exclusive, and the exclusive I'm going to give you will be for Amazon, the largest e-commerce platform on the planet. In addition, they're going to offer to pay for your marketing tools. Anything you need to make this happen, they are going to provide. And because you might have to give away some samples to get the juices flowing, which is often the case when you're promoting and marketing products, they also say, hey, if you want to give away 200, 300, 400 products, no problem. We will provide the inventory that you need for this. And so that you can sleep at night, we will take all of the risk. This is zero risk for you. You get out there and promote our product. We'll give you the money. We'll provide the tools. We'll give you some inventory to give away, and we will take all the risk. You're thinking, wow, that sounds like a lot. But guess what? We're not even done. Also, they say, look, we know you're going to need some 5-star reviews to help increase customers buying, because when you see great reviews, customers buy. We will help you to do that as well. We'll help you get these 5-star reviews. And then, you know what? We already have a database of customers. We already have a large following on Facebook. We already have an email subscription list. We will also announce this out to our fans, out to our list, out to our audience to help get this thing going. Now, if someone offered you that, and then on top of it said, look, we're going to give you a nice piece of the pie, or if that analogy doesn't resound, how about this? We're going to hand you a percentage of the profits. Do you think you could get excited about this? Well, if so, that is exactly what we're talking about here. This is an incredible opportunity, unlike anything else that's out there. It is totally wide open. It is proven, and you can do it. But wait, there's a lot more, and we're going to talk about every part of this strategy in my program. I invite you to explore our other sessions. We have more sessions coming up. We have tools that will help you do this and webinars that will take you even deeper. We're going to put together this jigsaw puzzle like you've never seen before, and I'm going to reveal every single step of the program. Hang tight, folks. This is 400K FBA, your special quick start for the Amazo Partnering Program. We're